So make sure you get ready so he doesn't run out.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. We're back. Look who's here. Look who's here.
Hi, sweetie. Come here. Just drop the pillows. There you go.